early this morning, nice and cool out. It is about 6:30, 6:45. Getting some things together, getting packed up to go down to the river today. Gonna be pulling some wire down to the dock so we can have power for some things that will be down there. And I'm not sure what else. Just a full day down there. Gonna ride down with Dad. He should be here shortly to pick me up, and it's gonna be a great day. Hoyt doesn't get to go, but he'll be fine. He can lay here in the air condition. He went with me to Dad's yesterday for Father's Day, and boy, he is not good in the heat. He hates it. He just huffing and puffing all over the place. So I'll let him stay here today and enjoy the air condition. But I'll see you on the road. Somebody's here? Who is it? Who is that? What's happening, guys?
What's up there, Dusty?
Not much, buddy.
How you doing, buddy?
I'm alright, man. How you doing?
Man, I can't believe you're gonna leave that dog here all by himself.
I wouldn't, but I don't know if you want him licking all in your ears and everything while we're driving down the road.
I bought some peanut butter, so hopefully that'll help.
Come on. Let's go with that.
Grab him right there, Dwayne. He's another buffalo. Let's go for another buffalo.
Come on. Let's go, buddy.
Bye, Hoyt.
He was bigger than the last time I seen him.
Bye, Hoyt. Go with Dave.
Time to get the day started. Here we are, back at the river. It is gorgeous today. Well, this morning. I'm sure it'll be smoking hot shortly enough, because it's already 80 degrees. But here's my favorite view, which you've seen enough times on this channel, but never hurts to see it again. And you see the progress on the place here. We are running wire today from inside the maintenance room. It goes underground and some pipe that are already laid all the way over here to the well, which is right there. And then down underground, it goes on out to the beginning of the pier out there. And we're pulling wire through it for electricity, so we can have electricity out at the pier for lights and whatever else we're going to have out there. So I guess I'll be the driver, driving the old Easy Go, hooking it up to the wire at the other end and pulling it through. So we get in here and get things going.
All right, ready?
Ready?
The wire spool's still over. Oh, geez, and crackers.
Yeah, it probably was a challenge for him and her to do it yesterday.
Yeah.
So just pull it a little slower, Dustin.
Sorry.
All right, you ready, buddy?
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah. What about the stuff for the hole?
What?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, what? Pull?
Go ahead.
Alright guys, sorry for the wind and sorry for my ghost white complexion. But I got my shirt off, I'm working on it. I didn't know this was happening today, but we are now installing the things I picked up on the trailer the other day, which are jet ski lifts. We got one lift for each jet ski. We're gonna go here, lower the jet ski into the water, you can lift it up, swing it over the dock, wash it, gas it up, cover it, whatever you need to do. So we're gonna get after it. And we got the smart guy reading the directions. I'm blocking this wind, y'all can hear me. I'm trying to hold the camera real close to my face so it blocks it, but I cannot believe how white I am. God. Y'all probably really see it in the camera. It makes it even worse. But that's why I got my shirt off now. Out here soaking up some vitamin D. But I gotta get some sun on me before I get out here on the jet ski and blind somebody, make them wreck their boat or something. Wow, man. This wind and this storm, look at this. Look at these clouds. How cool is that? The rain's starting to come down. This storm had lightning and really black skies that were rolling in from behind us. So it was time to pack up and hit the road. Alright, let's hit the road. Back to Fredericksburg we go. I'll probably end the video right here. So I didn't get any shots of the jet ski lifts the way that they are, but I'll get them next time and show you the finished product. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Say bye, Dwayne.
Bye to Dusty.